Good morning. We are leaving the Red Run campground here in New Holland, Lancaster County, and we're just going to pass by the Red Run covered bridge there. So if you're searching for covered bridges, there's one of them right there. And we are going to be headed to Denver, Lancaster County. So it's not too far of a drive from here, and I don't get out this way too much anymore, so we're going to turn right onto Red Run Road, try to say that 5 times, and make our way to Denver. This is a really pretty area out here too. There's so many, beautiful farms, and it's not real busy like some of the areas in Lancaster County. So this is a nice place just to take a drive, enjoy some scenery, maybe check out some covered bridges. You're also close to the Adamstown area, and they have a ton of antique shops. So if you love antiquing, this is a good area too. So to get from New Holland to Denver, we're going to go through 2 little towns. We're going to go through the town of Reamstown, and then we'll go through part of Stevens, Pennsylvania, which is another cute little area in Lancaster County. And this area here is more northern Lancaster County. The next intersection coming up, if you turn right, this is Five Pointsville Road, and that will take you directly to Five Pointsville, and that's kind of right beyond Terry Hill. So that's a really pretty area also. This whole area around here is so gorgeous. And it's the end of April. The leaves are, almost all the way on the trees. So it's so nice to see the green grass, the green fields, and now the green trees. I'm so happy the leaves are back on the trees now. It's still been a really chilly spring here, though, in Lancaster County. We haven't had that many warm days. There's been like a couple pop-up warm days, but that was it. So I seriously can't wait to get some warm weather. Our next intersection that we come to is going to be the intersection of Red Run Road and Church Street, and then that is going to be Reamstown area. So we'll just drive through Reamstown and make our way to Denver. And here we are. This is where Red Run Road ends. It comes to a T, and then we're just going to hang a right here onto Church Street. And this area is Reamstown, and the little town of Reamstown is just about half a mile right down the road from here. These areas, it's a lot of farms and residential areas, but you'll also come across a lot of farm stands and roadside stands. So, if you're around this area, definitely keep some cash in your wallet to stop at any fun roadside stands that you come to, because you never know where they pop up, and you never know what kind of neat things they have at the roadside stands. And they're all opening now, which is exciting. A couple times I'm like, I'm going to go off the road if I see a roadside stand and my neck has to spin all the way around to see what is in it, because I love roadside stands. They're so fun. So this is Reamstown here, and the town is just right around the corner. A little road work going on here. There always seems to be, wherever I'm driving, there always seems to be some sort of like road work going on, or a bridge being repaired. I know they've been really busy repairing some of like the old bridges. So, I mean, that's good. They'll be up to code and stuff. But there's definitely a lot of road work around, it seems like. I guess with the nicer weather, they're taking care of all the problems. And that highway overpass right up here, that is Route 222. So that takes you all over Lancaster County. So we just went under 222. So this is the official town of Reamstown, and right there to the left is a nice little park, the Reamstown Park. If you're around this area, that's a nice little place to stop and stretch your legs. And here we are going through town. This town is really cute. It's homes, a couple businesses, lots of churches. This is the intersection of Reamstown Road and Church Road, and we're going to continue straight, making our way to Denver, which is not too far. And the fire department is to the left. And this intersection is Route 272 and Church Road right here. So once we cross through this intersection, it will be considered Stevens, Pennsylvania. There's a couple gas stations. There's a Sunoco right to the right here, and then there's another convenience store and gas station right there to the left. Quick stop. The next road coming up right here on our left, if you turn left there, that's Stevens Road, and that will take you right into the little town of Stevens. And that is a cute little town. And they also have a covered bridge there. Butcher's Mill Covered Bridge is located right down the road from there. So if you turn left, you can put your GPS on. It's, probably like 10 minutes from that little turn there. So you can, if you're looking for Lancaster County bridges, there's the Red Run Covered Bridge where we started, and then there's the Stevens, PA, the Butcher's Mill Covered Bridge right here too. So you can kind of hit two covered bridges pretty close together. So right around here, I believe, is the start of Denver. It ends from, Stevens, changes over to the Denver area. So you can see how close they are. We were in New Holland, Reamstown, Stevens, and then now we are in Denver. And the town of Denver is coming not too far up here. Right up here at this bridge, we're crossing the Little Cocalico Creek. And this also changes from Church Street to Main Street now. And here we are in the town of Denver. So this is Denver, Pennsylvania, the Denver on the East Coast. So Denver, it's cute. There's a lot of residences. There's, a few businesses and restaurants. And it's not like as busy as, New Holland or any of those towns. It's nothing as busy as that. But it is a cute little town. And if you're here, it's definitely worth stopping and checking things out. If you're interested, if you would like me to do a walking video through Denver, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. So there's a Turkey Hill over there, a railroad crossing. There's a big feed mill. It's actually called Stevens Feed Mill over here to the right. And there's also a nice memorial park, which is where we're going to end the drive today. There's a really, really nice park here in Denver. We also just passed Courtyard Cafe, Courtyard Bed and Breakfast. And at that railroad crossing, there's a nice Mexican restaurant. I can't remember the name, but that's right at that railroad crossing. So yeah, then there's some stores too. So it's definitely a cute little town to come shopping and grabbing something to eat. And then after you eat, you can come down here to the park. This crossroad coming up here, this is the intersection of Main Street and 6th Street. So as we come out of the main part of town, that's the Denver Memorial Park is going to be up here on our right-hand side. And that's a great park. They have walking paths, they have a little koi pond, they have playground, a skateboard park. It's a pretty cool park. And there it is. That's the entrance. Right over here to the right is the Denver Memorial Park, and this is where we'll end the video for today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and whatever you're doing today, have a wonderful day. See you on the next one.